connected to your iPad?
Through a Wi-Fi connection.
Okay.
It creates its own Wi-Fi connection, and then my iPad connects to it over Wi-Fi, and my iPad shows me traffic in 884.2, 1884.2, and 2504.0. Right?
That's correct.
Yeah. Okay. So we're all good there. So I don't have to worry about this anymore. That's all correct. Okay. So now.